Yo guys, probably another video, and in today's video we are doing a new setup tour because I finally redid my PC setup. It's in the same spot as the iMac setup, but the thing is, my iMac has been crashing a lot, and I've had a lot of complaints, well not complaints, but like I complained a lot about my iMac just not working properly. So what I did was, I basically used my gaming PC that is going to turn into my editing PC now, and secondary gaming. So let me show you guys what we got. We've gotten actually a lot of stuff. We got new stuff. Yeah, let me show you guys. So guys, starting off, we got my lamps. Hopefully, it's gonna light this up a little bit better. We got the Elgato Stream Deck, which haven't fully set up yet. Wacom tablet. My A7, my A6300 for B-roll, which I'm not gonna be using B-roll today. But yeah, that is my A6300, Wacom tablet pen. The Logitech MX key, I think it's called, it's not the craft, it's called the key. It's a really odd name. But just picked this one up today, love it. Actually, I've heard really good things about this. Then we do one of my favorite mics of all time. So I had the 2S. Now we have the MX Master 3. Let me see if it loads. Okay. One of my favorite keyboard and mice is, well, this is my favorite mouse ever made. The 2S was my favorite mouse that ever got made, but this one is now soon gonna be my favorite keyboard because it's chiclet style, but it works really well. Right here, got accessories like phone, wallet, keys, AirPods, and an adapter for when I use my MacBook, or I can just adapt it. But eventually, I did order some. I'm gonna order something that goes right here. It's called a SD card reader. It's gonna sit glued down here, or like 3M down to there, and that will be where it goes. We don't have the light here so we can see better. But right here is 1 and 2 of my PreSonus Ares 3.5s. Really good studio monitors. This, and then guys, this right here is my LG. Oh my god, what do you call it? It's the L something 600. It's a 4K Ultra HD monitor, 60 Hz. All I need to do is, guys, is watch 4K video editing, because 4K is what I'm doing now, but yeah, when I do promo shoots and all that for friends, it'll be in 4K, so I can finally read it in 4K. Lamp, as I said before. Now let's get into the PC. Oh, first let's get into this. This is a, I forget the brand, but it's just a sit-stand desk. It's from Amazon. It's a really, really nice desk. We got some brands I've had before. Now let's go on. This cable management needs to be sorted. Right now, I got 2 M.2s. One that's actually currently working. One that was in the old computer that doesn't work. i9, i9 900K. What else? 64 gigs of RAM, RTX 2070. I want to upgrade to the 2080, but I don't really need to right now because this is working fine. Then we got right there. Right there is my 1 terabyte T5 SSD. This is now, I'm just going to give you guys an overview. This is the setup. Looks pretty nice. Whole room's a mess because I'm turning it half into my studio. So I have storage, so I have bedroom. Complete mess. But this is the part I'm actually starting with because it's my dream. But guys, I hope that showed you guys how good my setup actually looks right now. Not completely done, still got a few more things to add. But guys, I hope you liked today's video. Have a nice, subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video. See you. Bye.